Hey guys, I finished my sketchbook, so I'm gonna be opening a new sketchbook. I already took the wrap off this, but I've had this one sitting since January of this year. It's an Articka Note Premium Sketchbook. It is 10 by 10, so it's like the square format, like an Illo. It kind of has the same feel as an Illo sketchbook, but like the paper's super smooth, but it's not as waxy as the Illo. It came with a sticker, and then it comes with like, you can get a free subscription if you like upload to social media, which is pretty cool. And then I think in the back, okay, no, there's no pocket in the back. I'm lying. But like overall, the paper is not super duper thick like the Illo, but it's pretty okay. And considering that I am in Canada and I can't get Illo here for less than like $50 a book, this is pretty good. Like this is a good comparison. So I'm gonna do a sketch in this book and I will tell you how I feel about it. Little bit of marking down in this corner that you guys can't really see. It's kind of glossy, but whatever. But yeah, like overall, if this is a good book, these books were $25, so that's not bad for a sketchbook. It's a little bit more than I like to spend, but again, I've bought sketchbooks that are a hell of a lot more money, so whatever. And then you can follow them on social media, and then that's their website. So yeah, let's get drawing. Okay, so I am just using a Pentel mechanical pencil. I don't even think the lead is original in this thing. I've had this like pencil for so long, and just there was an eraser as well that I showed at the beginning. So yeah, I'm just like doodling here, doing a sketch of a pose of a very beefy dude. And yeah, like the drawing experience in this book is like so smooth, and it was like really just like nice to draw. I wasn't catching on anything. I think using like marker and stuff in here, like some Pitt pens and stuff will be really great as well. Like it just has such a nice feel. I don't think it's going to be able to handle Copic that would go like right through the paper. But like Tombos or like the Ohu Tombow equivalents, I think those would like really work well. Just like some gray tones and stuff. They're water-based, so they won't hopefully go through the page. I'll have to do some tests with those eventually, but like overall, yeah, it's a really nice drawing experience. And like I didn't feel like it was as waxy as the Illo, which that was like a really big thing with the Illo. I couldn't get over the paper. Like it was just texturally so weird for me. The Illo does have a new watercolor sketchbook, and I also noticed that like when I used watercolors in the Illo, they didn't really work out that well. So like I just really enjoyed this. I enjoyed this first drawing, so I can't wait to draw more stuff in here. That is it. It is an Articka sketchbook. Oh yeah, and here, the building in the background, I frig up so many times because I was just like, I'm just going to put some buildings back here and not even thinking of perspective. So I kind of had to like fudge a lot of stuff, and you see me like rework the like horizon line on these buildings so many times. It was a special morning, all right? Like I hadn't had coffee at this point. Anyway, I have to work on my perspective. Maybe I'll do that in a video. Anyways, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. So, other than my perspective fuck up, which I'll fix later, I really, really like drawing in this sketchbook. It's got a nice feel. It doesn't feel as rubbery as the Illo, so I think I'll be buying more of these. Awesome. Anyways, tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you've used these, if you'd be interested in using something other than the Illo. And yeah, like I think this is a pretty good substitute. Just let me know in the comments below. Bye guys.